Our youth are our future. If we secure the youth, we have secured our future.
What can we as an organization do to rekindle that spirit of resilience, the spirit of self-determination, the spirit of empowerment, of knowledge, education, intellectual rigor, intellectual excellence that not only benefited the community but benefited the world around us? What can we do? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Sumaya Hassan. I am the chairperson of the Green Dome Foundation.
My name is Faisal Mubarak and I'm a public health specialist. Currently, I'm working as a Green Dome manager.
My name is Fadia Ali Yuman. I am the treasurer of Green Dome Foundation.
Mbele yenu ni ndugu yenu Mahmoud Mustafa, moja katika members wa Green Dome Foundation.
My name is Hanana Mustaqim and I'm an intern at Green Dome Foundation.
The Green Dome Foundation is a non-profit institution that was established by a group of Muslims from diverse backgrounds who were concerned about certain things that they had, that they were seeing in the community, and they felt there was a need to come together to contribute their skills, their diverse skills, their experiences, to try and bridge the gaps that they had seen and contribute and be part of the solution to the challenges that they had identified.
One of the challenges which is facing everybody across board, but especially our Muslim Ummah, is empowerment, and empowerment to our youth is what we want to focus on the most. First and foremost, we are trying to get data, and we are working very closely with them to get data on what are the challenges and the issues that are facing our boys and girls, especially the youth out there.
During the last December holidays, we got hold of the youth, the adolescents, and we did this training, some mentorship programs in Nairobi Muslim Academy, whereby they provided the venue and we provided as Green Dome the expertise, whereby we were able to talk to the youth on issues, on matters dealing with adolescence and drug use and abuse, and also issues to do with proper behavior that is expected of them.
During the 3-day youth mentorship program, I was able to facilitate a topic in social media and technology, where I went through how to use social media wisely, the risks, benefits of social media, and how to be safe. It really enabled me to step out of my box, which I thank Green Dome Foundation for believing in me, where I experienced and I was able to show off my communication skills, my public speaking skills, and that really enabled me to perform and present to the youth and for them to understand me.
In the activities we have embarked on, we are very passionate about working with the youth. The youth are the future, particularly in contexts like ours here in Kenya and in Africa. The bulk of our populations are young people, below the age of 30, indeed below the age of 25. If we don't involve them as part of the solutions right now, as we are curating these solutions, then we are leaving out the larger share of our population who have the energy, they have the drive, they have the natural affinity to technology, they are natural providers, not only of services, of labor, of the market. And so these are very, very key stakeholders for us, and we work very closely with the youth, and it is our plan to prioritize and continue to prioritize engagement across the board, including with the youth.
We are partnering with the youth in all the universities. We are working very closely with the associations, Muslim associations in all the universities in Kenya, and looking for the best ways to helping them fish. We do not want to give them complete resources. We do not want to feed them, but we want to help them help themselves. One of the ideas we are working on at the moment is opening up businesses for youth in universities. One, we came up with food trolleys, whereby the most needy university students are going to be mentored by us, Greendom, given the capital and given the know-how. We will hold their hands for a month or two, then let them go run with the idea.
Kama msimamizi upande wa sekta ya dini, tunaangazia sana ndugu zetu ambao wanajulikana kwa lugha ya kufahamika kwa haraka, waliosilimu ama revertees, Waislamu wageni. Hawa ni Waislamu ambapo wanapoingia katika dini ya Uislamu huwa kunapatikana changamoto mbalimbali. Mfano kama kukataliwa na baadhi za jamii, mfano kama kubadilisha marafiki, mfano hata kubadilisha majina yao. Na mara nyingine unakuja kumwona mtu ameishi takriban miaka 30 bado anajiona yeye ni Muislamu mgeni kama revertee. Kwa hivyo yamaanisha dini yake haiko sawa, elimu yake haiko sawa, mwelekeo wake bado hauko sawa, na lilasaf, kwa masikitiko, anajihisi bado yeye ni mgeni katika dini ya Kiislamu. Greendom Foundation imeandaa masomo maalumu ambayo itakuwa ni kama curriculum ya wanaosilimu. Kwa kuwa anaposilimu mtu atakuwa na masomo ambayo ni miezi mitatu takriban, hatakuwa tena na ugeni katika Uislamu.
One of the things that we were acutely aware of is the need for a data-based approach to what we are doing. A need for data-based interventions that helps us to really understand what is the data telling us on this particular issue. Anecdotally, it may have been regarded as a problem, but what is the data showing? Because we need to prioritize resources, and the data helps us to do that by really enabling us to focus on which are the areas that are perhaps most important for us to start with before we then move to other areas. And so this is one of the things that we formulated as an objective of the Greendom, to have a data-based approach to our issues and the interventions that we want to carry out. And through this, that allows us to engage in advocacy. It allows us to engage in lobbying efforts, including for policy changes or policy development and implementation at different levels, including at local, national, and even regional levels.
Hakika tunapogawa chakula, hatugai tu chakula kwa sababu tuna hamu ya kupea watu chakula. Tunawapa watu hichi chakula kwa sababu wana haja nayo, lakini hatutaki wawe ni wenye kuhitajia ugavi wa chakula kila siku. Katika tatizo ambalo tunaliona na ni historia, ni kuwa wanaogawa chakula au ugavi wa chakula hauendani sambamba na data. Kwa hivyo unakuja kuona baadhi ya taasisi wanapeleka msukumo mkubwa katika sehemu maalum. Kwa hivyo yule mtu anaweza kupata vyakula mpaka vyakula vingine vikaharibika, hususan katika mwezi mtukufu wa Ramadhani. Na lilasaf, kwa wingi wa chakula nilichokipata, kuna mwingine mahali hajaweza kupata hata tembe ya mchele wala mbegu za tende katika mwezi mtukufu wa Ramadhani au katika maisha yake. Kwa hivyo hii yaonyesha ni kuwa hatuna data na pia hatuna mawasiliano maalumu ya kuweza kujua nyinyi mwagawa wapi na nini mwakitoa na anaipokea ni nani kwa kiasi gani.
We've been able to conserve the environment in Bulbul Muslim Cemetery, whereby we were able to plant over 200 trees. And in these trees, we were focusing on both the flora and the fauna. We were able to plant 3 categories of trees. One is medicinal trees in the cemetery. Second type of trees that we planted were trees that deals with providing shade to the people who visit the cemetery. Thirdly, we were also able to plant fruit trees, a few of them, and the planting was actually not on the graves but along the perimeter fence.
Tunawaomba watu wote wanaotusikiliza mahala popote walipo waweze kuungana nasi katika kufikisha hii fikra, ili fikra hii iwe hai, isibaki kuwa tu ni fikra, bali ifike katika wale wahusika.
We believe that bringing everybody on board, bringing the diversity and the strength that each of us have to the table will enable us, by God's will, inshallah, to go not only far, but also to go fast, so that we contribute in a timely manner to the challenges that we see within the community and around us. There is a contribution that each of us at our level can play to rekindle that Muslim spirit.